In this video, we see some lack of patience on both sides, which leads to an accident. Thankfully, it wasn't too bad. So this driver is trying to squeeze in and rightfully gets honked at. And this driver, instead of just letting them go, gets in front and then ends up sideswiping their car. She gets out.
Don't worry, it's all on camera.
And this driver is saying it's on camera as if they're the one that's in the right. If you look back, they don't have the right of way. They're supposed to wait until it's clear for them to enter instead of just trying to squeeze into a line of traffic. So this person is 100% in the wrong in this case for doing this. I don't know what insurance is going to say because what this lady did was unnecessary and that's what actually caused the accident, her maneuver. But this person was definitely in the wrong trying to squeeze in here. So let's just be more patient, be safer, be vigilant, and just let things go. It's not worth sideswiping your car, potentially getting into an accident that's worse than just this, potentially entering a road rage battle. This looks like it's in America. This looks like a New Jersey plate. Guns could be pulled out and, well, your life could be ended for what? To save a couple seconds because your ego was hurt? Just let it go. It's not that big a deal. And don't be like this driver. Just be patient. Wait your turn in line like this lady was doing. So let's learn from both of them and be safer, more responsible drivers.